Solving quadratic equations by factorising. The first thing to understand when solving quadratic equations by factorising is the null factor law. The idea is that if a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So if we had x minus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to 0, then either the contents of the first bracket, i.e. x minus 1, is 0, or the contents of the second bracket, x plus 3, is 0. So either x is equal to 1, which would make the first bracket 0, or x is negative 3, which would make the second bracket 0. We already have the skills to factorise quadratic expressions. To solve quadratic equations, we just need to put the two things together. Factorise the quadratic expression. Use the null factor law to find the value or values of x. The solutions to a quadratic equation, f of x is equal to 0, gives us the coordinates of the point or points where the graph of y equals f of x crosses the x-axis. So for example, if we have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0, which factorises to x minus 1, x plus 3 equals 0, as we saw earlier in the example, that means x is 1 or x is negative 3. If we have the graph of y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3, we can see it crosses the x-axis at negative 3 and at 1.